Hey guys, today I will show you how to use CoinSpot's portfolio tracking features in Australia. So first what you need to do is log in to your CoinSpot account. Once you're logged in, head over to the dashboard where you'll see an overview of your total holdings and portfolio value. This gives you a clear picture of your overall performance. Next, for a closer look, go to the wallet section. Here you'll find details of each cryptocurrency you hold, including your balance, the live market price, and the total value of your assets. This helps you track individual coins easily. CoinSpot also offers charts and graphs that display how your portfolio has changed over time. You can view data by day, week, or month to spot trends and analyze the movement of your investments. If you want to check all past activity, open the orders or history section. This shows every buy, sell, and transfer you've made, making it simple to track performance and calculate profits or losses. You can also generate and export detailed reports for tax purposes, which is especially useful for staying compliant with Australian tax requirements. And that's it. That's how you use CoinSpot's portfolio tracking features in Australia. Thanks for watching.